Hi, this is Ian, Pest Control Buzz. I wanted to introduce our brand new 48-inch spray and dust kit, Deluxe. There is nothing else in the pest control industry like this. It's fantastic, so let's start. Open up your nice hard shell padded case. Inside you will find our new 12-foot tab pole with easy to release flip tabs to adjust the length at any length. Flick the tab, it secures the pole. The Gotcha Sprayer Pro, the industry standard now for spraying aerosols and powder dusting. Simply attach it to the new pole, tighten it up. You can use it with aerosols to trigger aerosols. Basically, you can also use it with the included powder duster. So simply insert the aerosol can, tighten it, pull the cord to actuate it. Make sure you don't pull it too hard. It works fine just pulling it lightly. It'll trigger the aerosols. In order to convert it from an aerosol sprayer to a powder duster, simply release the nut, insert your powder duster, use the tab on the back, put it in the hole that is in the Gotcha Sprayer Pro body. As soon as you locate it in there, basically you can tighten the nut, and when you pull the cord, it'll compress and actuate the powder duster. When you're finished with that, basically release everything, pull out your powder duster, release this wing nut, flip the unit upside down, insert the spray bottle, tighten the nut, take your clip that's usually on the pigtail, connect it to the lever, connect it to the lanyard, and pull the cord to actuate your spray bottle. You can adjust it from a mist to a spray if a customer or you are using an organic chemical-free, in order to spray wasps and hornets. This is the perfect solution. When you're finished with that, undo your collar, remove your bottle, remove the clip, reconnect it to the pigtail, unscrew your Gotcha Sprayer Pro, screw on your scraper, remove the nest. When you're finished, undo your scraper, back into the case, put your pole in there, put your Gotcha Sprayer Pro in there, close up your case, and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching.